And we shift our attention back to the big news of interim relief for Arvind Kejriwal as the Supreme Court has granted him interim bail till the 1st of June. He's going to have to surrender though on the 2nd. To this, the Delhi BJP chief has reacted, says this is the permission for election campaigning, not a clean chit. Listen in.
करने की अनुमति मिली है और उसके बाद फिर वहीं जाना है। तो कई बार अपराधियों को पैरोल पे छोड़ा जाता है। माननीय न्यायालय का निर्णय उसका हम स्वागत करते हैं और अंतरिम जमानत मिलने का मतलब ये नहीं कि आप अपराध मुक्त हो गए। अपराध अभी भी वही है कि 100 करोड़ रुपए से ज्यादा का घोटाला शराब नीति में किया गया है, जिसके किंग पिन सूत्रधार अरविंद केजरीवाल है।
सर, लगता है कि चुनाव में इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा बीजेपी को इस वक्त?
बीजेपी उनके आने और ना जाने से चुनाव नहीं लड़ रही थी। 2014 में भी अरविंद केजरीवाल बाहर थे, 2019 में भी बाहर थे। क्या फर्क पड़ता है जी? भारतीय जनता पार्टी जनता के आशीर्वाद से और कार्यकर्ताओं के दम पर चुनाव लड़ रही है।
सर, आम आदमी पार्टी से लोकतंत्र की जीत बता रही है। वो कह रही है कि ये असल में लोकतंत्र की
सिर्फ बेल ही नहीं है बल्कि ये लोकतंत्र की जीत है।
मैं तो कह रहा हूं ना कि पैरोल पे बहुत सारे अपराधी छूटते हैं, उनको भी आम आदमी पार्टी को अपने साथ बैठा के प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करनी चाहिए। चुनाव
My colleague Akash Sharma joins us with more details. Akash, this is essentially the BJP responding to the celebrations that have erupted in the Aam Aadmi Party camp. Arvind Kejriwal has been granted interim relief till the 1st of June. He's going to have to surrender by the 2nd of June itself, and he's not been allowed to carry out any official duties. He's only been granted permission to carry out campaigning as much as he likes, as much as he wants, and that's what the BJP is saying. This is no relief, this is no clean chit. It's just an interim bail so he can campaign.
Right, and on one hand we have Aam Aadmi Party saying that it's a victory not for the party Aam Aadmi Party but also for the democracy. But on the other hand we have BJP. In fact, the Delhi BJP chief Virendra Sachdeva is saying that criminals are often given parole, are often set free on parole, but that doesn't mean that someone is giving you clean chit. And similarly, in the case of Arvind Kejriwal, while he has been allowed for the election campaign, he will have to go back to the same place, and he has not been given any sort of clean chit. This is what Delhi BJP is maintaining. In fact, the chief is categorically saying that even in 2014 and 2019, Arvind Kejriwal was out for campaign, but that did not make any sort of impact, and this time also they are very much confident.
Okay, Akash, many thanks for joining us with all those details. We're tracking that very closely. A host of political reactions coming in on that big story. Also, one's watching out for when exactly will Arvind Kejriwal walk out of jail.